Isalin ang mga sumusunod na pangungusap sa Tagalog. Translate the following sentences sa Tagalog. Una, Brian is the guy who knows a lot about computer programs.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
Kaya mo yan?
I know I have to start off with like, well, I feel like in this sentence I'm gonna start off with si Brian, right?
Tama.
And I know this is gonna like, I think this is the one where it's like yung, right? So it's like si Brian, yung lalaki. That I know there was.
Na?
Yeah, nah. Okay, so si Brian, yung lalaki na is it alam?
Correct.
Si Brian, yung lalaki na alam I'm gonna say like marami.
Marami. So, adjective first.
Maraming alam.
Mhm.
And then is it like tungkol sa computers?
Tama.
So, si Brian, yung lalaki na maraming alam tungkol sa computer.
Tama. Si Brian yung lalaki na maraming alam tungkol sa computer programs. Oh, good. You're able to translate this. Pangalawa, I woke up early today, so I had time for a 30-minute exercise.
Gumising
Mhm.
maaga.
Maaga.
Gumising ako ng maaga, right? Kaya
Kaya,
meron akong oras
tama?
para mag-ehersisyo.
Para mag-ehersisyo. What if we make the word exercise a noun? So, I had time for a 30-minute exercise.
30 minuto. And then you're connecting it still with nang?
Yeah, so there will still be an NG, 30 minutong ehersisyo. Here, because I had time for, it will be para sa, di ba? So, may
Okay.
oras ko para sa 30 minutong ehersisyo. Pangatlo, I will have laundromat wash my clothes tomorrow.
Magpapalaba ako ng damit bukas. Can I say sa kanya?
Pwede. Or sa kanila.
Sa kanila.
Yan. Good. Pang-apat, if you come back home tonight, I'll wait for you.
Kung uuwi sa ngayong gabi. Here, can I use like the mag form?
Pwede.
Like maghihintay, right? So then like it's maghihintay ako sa'yo.
Yan. Maghihintay ako sa'yo. That's correct. If it was passive, how would you conjugate the word hintay?
This is future, so it's hihintayin.
Yan.
Hintayin kita.
Hihintayin kita. Good. Panglima, whose sports car is that?
Kaninong sports car yan? Okay.
Kaninong sports car yan? If it's near, and if it's far, kaninong sports car yun? Pang-anim, I listened to Tutor of Manila while washing the dishes.
Okay. Because I just know I forgot this one.
While?
Yeah, I definitely forgot while. I guess nakikinig ako sa Tutor of Manila. I don't know. I forgot while.
Habang.
Oh my gosh, yes. Habang aglalaba.
Or, naglalaba is washing clothes. If it's washing the dishes,
Naghuhugas.
yan, habang naguhugas ng plato. Pangpito, don't worry, everything will be okay.
I get the first one is like mag-alala.
Yan. And then don't,
Wag mag-alala.
wag mag-alala.
Mag-alala. I hate that word. Wag mag-alala.
Everything will be okay. To be, became, become, becomes, becoming, will become.
Okay, got it. So magiging, like
Tama.
magiging. Am I using okay here or like what am I?
Pwede.
Magiging like lahat or
Yan. Huwag mag-alala, magiging okay ang lahat. Pangwalo, how to say, you got this, you can do it.
kaya mo kaya mo to? Like,
Kaya mo to. Pwede mo yan. Pang-siyam, we watched a movie and ate outside.
is it nanood?
Nanood.
Oh, like, is it nanood kami?
Nanood kami. Correct.
Nanood kami ng pelikula? Is that how you say movies? Okay. Nanood kami ng pelikula at kumain kami sa labas?
Yan, good. Nanood kami ng pelikula at kumain sa labas. Tama. Panghuli, lastly, connector, at last, I can now speak Tagalog.
So am I starting with sa wakas?
Sa wakas.
Sa wakas, nakakapag
Yan.
nakakapagsalita ng Tagalog.
And then the I.
Nakakapagsalita ako ng Tagalog.
Yan. Nakakapagsalita na ako ng Tagalog.
Okay, cause now.
Good. Siguro, hindi ang points mo, siguro baka 7.